You looking to invest in multifamily real estate here in Rhode Island? Well, let me introduce you to 118 Ruggles Ave here in Newport. This building is comprised of 6 separate units. 1 3-bedroom unit, 3 2-bedroom units, and 2 1-bedroom units with 14 parking spots, 4 garage bays, 6 brand new gas heating systems in one of the best locations in Newport, close to things like Bellevue Avenue, Ocean Drive, Gooseberry Beach, and Murphy Park. So who's ready to invest? So if you're interested in this property or multifamily real estate here in Rhode Island, all of my contact information is in the description below.